Excel sheet for unit converter and different unit adder. Firstly, download the Excel file from below, link in description portion. This is the unit converter file. Open it. This is the window. This is the length unit converter sheet. This is the area unit converter sheet. This is the volume unit converter sheet. This is the mass or weight or force unit converter sheet. This is the pressure or stress or Young's modulus unit converter sheet. This is the density or unit weight unit converter sheet. Example 1. 500 meter is equal to how many feet? And also how many mile? "500 meter is equal to 1640.42 feet. 500 meter is equal to 0.310686 mile. Warning. Other input cells should be 0 or blank. Example 2. 500 meter plus 400 feet is equal to how many inches? Answer is equal to 24,485.04 inches. 20 kilometer minus 8 miles is equal to how many kilometer? Answer is 7.12528 kilometer. "200 kilogram is equal to 440.924 pound. 200 kilogram is equal to 7,054.8 ounce. 200 kilogram is equal to 1961.33 Newton. "300 kilogram per meter cube density is equal to 2.94 kilonewton per meter cube unit weight.